What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Nasty Nate channel. We got a good one for you guys today. Check it out. We got not one, not two, but three of these boxes. Check it. Yes, you know what we are doing today. Yes. We also got the stocks on, got to throw the big wheels on, the 10 lugs. Let's get it going. We're not going to talk this whole video because that's boring. Here we go. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe right now. Let's see. All right, we got tons of these things. Look. Yes, we're putting all these on the truck right now. This is going to be hilarious. Cannot wait to see what this looks like. All right, guys, in all reality, I bought 18 of these things because I've seen the TikToks, I've seen the videos of you guys posting this on your trucks and, you know, rock lights and neons and whatever. We are doing 18 of these bad boys. They are actually super bright. I tested this one last night, something I did not consider. These do not come with batteries, and they take 3 batteries a piece. So I need to go buy like 60 batteries for all these. Had to stop by Harbor Freight to get the #1 battery in America. You know, they got lifetime warranty on there or something like that. Whatever, you can return it and probably get free ones. They better work, and let's get them all in there. This is gonna take forever because there is too many of these. All right, finally got all the batteries in there. Surprisingly, they all work. So I can't believe the Harbor Freight batteries actually work. That blows my mind. Anyway, let's get them all on this truck. Hopefully we can find enough spots and whatever for them. This is gonna be hilarious. All the lights are on, guys. Well, they're not actually on, but they're mounted in the truck. And we kind of got them spaced apart. 3 in each wheel well, 2 up front, a couple on the frame rails. So now we play the waiting game, wait till it gets dark, and hopefully this looks sweet. It's gonna be funny. Finally dark out. Let's pop these things on, see what we're working with. Ooh, they are bright. I thought I had 3 in here. All right, one already fell off, I'm pretty sure. I knew this thing was gonna look insane with all the light switches. We had to do it. You don't need to wire in rock lights. You need to get light switches off Amazon and get some Harbor Freight batteries. Cue the edit right here. now we have to turn them all off, and there's a lot. That's fine. You got to do it for the gram or the YouTube. This makes me want more rock lights. All right, guys. Oh, what's that? No light? No problem. All right, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I thought it would be pretty funny to try to buy as many of these as I could. Make sure you subscribe down below, and we'll catch you in the next one.